Hi guys, we're going to cover a single leg deadlift variation you can do at home. Now, because you don't generally have weights, or a lot of people have weights at home, we're going to cover one that helps you get a little bit more flexible at the same time. So it is just going to help use that sort of hamstring flexibility and the tension that a single leg deadlift puts it under. So from the side, we're going to do that as normal. Have a slight bend in your standing leg, so I'm going to go left leg first. So you're going to do your single leg deadlift, keeping the hips nice and flat, so I'm not raised up like this. It's nice and flat, like that. Okay, so that's an old standard single leg deadlift. What we're going to do is single leg deadlift, straighten that leg and bend that leg. Straighten that leg and bend that leg. So straightening and bending that leg puts the hamstring under stretch and relaxes it again. The key to feeling the stretch in this is keeping the hips nice and level. So if I do it front on, so right here, little bend, single leg deadlift. So I not tilt it up like that. I nice and level like this. Then I just straighten and bend, straighten, bend, straighten and bend. So the key is keep those hips flat and level, completely parallel to the ground. Straighten and bend the leg as much as you can. So go to the limit. It doesn't have to be completely straight, but as straight as you can. Do a set of 10 on each leg. See how that feels. You should feel that properly, just giving the hamstring a good stretch.